Let's get to that final trade of the day with Joel Hawthorne, founder of the Morning Snapshot. Joel, tell us about your trade following that bit of a mini crash in cryptocurrency following the Fed chair speech last week.
Thanks for having me, Angie. I'm so glad you brought that up. One thing that I've noticed is that the crypto kind of sector, if you would, has been really a very risk-on sector only. We really haven't seen from a broader spectrum that how to kind of see from a broader perspective retail investors being able to play the downside or just being able to play both sides of the market. So yes, as the market did seem to pull back and kind of correct a little bit on last week on Friday after the Jackson Hole Symposium, I think that there was definitely a lot of selling pressure we saw in Bitcoin, particularly over the weekend. We even saw Bitcoin trade below 20K. And I think the crypto sector, in particular Bitcoin in the short term, may be under pressure for a little bit here. I know there is some transitioning taking place in September with Ethereum, so we'll see what happens. But yes, I do think that there is some bearish climate with crypto. And because of that, I'm bearish one of the stocks, Coin, because of that.
What else do we need to know about your trade?
Well, I'm going to use options to be a little bit active in this trade. I'm looking for an opportunity to sell the 75 call. I think Coin is trading right now near about $70 and change or so, or at least right around that, maybe 69 or so as we're speaking. And buying the 80 call simultaneously. This will be a bear call vertical spread. So I'm going to collect a credit. I'm going to risk $1, potentially make 35 cents. I'm going to do this for roughly about 10 days out. So maybe around September 9th or so, we'll see what happens due to that expiration. But I do think that we're going to run into some short-term resistance and some short-term selling pressure in the crypto space. So that's why I'm going to go bearish in Coin.
Thank you very much, Joel.
Thanks for having me, Angie.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.